getting a 5-minute reversal look to cable. The one's still above the 2 and the white zone hasn't collapsed, and we're at a white zone phase of 3. Now initially you might be thinking, well, this channel has held the trend pretty good, and it has. It certainly has. But on the way up we get a cross here and a collapse. It'll be a little while before we get the collapse. And then pound yen also looking like it could be a pretty good reversal coming up. Yeah, that's already got the collapse. So this might give us something. Oh, it just came back. So this collapse is back and forth. So there it is. So it's really on the verge right now. Alright, so these are kind of the best looking ideas right now. 2 reversals. We're not going to get the alert now because the 1 is above the 2 and we require a cross. 5-minute box entry, which means, you know, we'll enter at the 5-minute box, but our conditions have to be right. Dynamic entry 5-minute candle. Okay. The 5-minute L7 will be the target, so that's down here. That's at 21, and we're at 50 pips away. And then also, pound yen is doing the same thing. I'm almost tempted now, but you know, pound yen has already collapsed, but it hasn't crossed yet. Right? You still want to wait for some sort of dynamic candle, 5-minute. These 5-minute candles have just started. There's 4.5 minutes left, so I'd wait for those to close anyway. The target is the L7, which is quite a ways down on both of them. Here we go. Require L1, L2 cross. So yes, so we're going to need these to be crossed before we're going to get an alert. Require 5-minute white zone collapse. Yes. So like this one has collapsed. The white zone on pound dollar has not yet collapsed. So on this one we don't have the cross. We don't have the collapse. We do have the collapse on pound yen. Don't quite have the collapse. I mean, we have the collapse. We don't have the cross. Here's pips to 1-minute box 3. So 26.3, 71 to 61. That's way more than 3. And then pips to 15-minute box, 5 pips for 71.62. That's 9, and we're 40 to 30, so we're 10. So setups look just fine. Minimum white zone phase a 1. Yeah, for sure. This is a white zone phase of 3. This is probably 3 down to a 2 now. I can't get to it because I've got this open. Okay, look, cable's going. They're going right now. So hang tight. Not gonna do anything. That's a nice little extended reversal up there. What about pound yen of all of them? Because yen's going lower. Pound dollar definitely in higher highs now. Here, not so much just yet. High of 54. And it's a 3-column, and we're at a high. I'm going to try this one. We're at a 3-column. We're at a high. It's kind of an extended reversal. It's extended. Not a confirmed reversal, but we have a collapsed white zone, and we're at the high. And it's not against the dollar, which is clearly weakening. The dollar clearly going lower. Now this has got great risk reward as possible, honestly. If this fails at breaking a high, which, you know, cable just broke the high, so I'm not so convinced that we're definitely not breaking the high. We easily could. But if we don't, guess what's next? L7. That's 50 pips away, 45 pips away, and the high is 53, so it's less than a 10 pip stop. So our stop, 55, 56, 10 pip stop on this. Starting to look a little better. We got the 5-minute trend alert. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens with our pound yen. The white zone is at 22. That's 23 pips away. The dollar actually not even that weak at the moment. It's really about the market here, which just opened. Now this is market open. It could get volatile. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to take some pips close. But let's see here. See if we can at least tack our low, our previous low, which is about where our white zone was at 22. Let's see, euro yen's still going, dollar yen's still going lower. And that's where there's some support for sure. Okay, let's take it. Alright, so I'll take 16 on that for now. It's going lower. Not a bad run there. Not a bad move on that reversal. It could obviously make it all the way to the L7. There's plus 20 on the trade had I stuck into it.